How to transfer money from DCU to Bank of America. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can add or transfer money from DCU to Bank of America. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to transfer money from DCU to Bank of America, you can open up your DCU online banking application and you want to log in using your member number and your password and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you should get an interface somewhat like this. Here now, what you want to do is you want to simply go ahead and tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of your screen. So you can see Accounts tab, you can tap on it and you'll be on the Accounts page. Next step, once you're on the Accounts page, you can see the Transfers option at the top right corner. You want to tap on Transfers and you want to go ahead and proceed to transfer. There you can go ahead and enter in the details, the credentials of the recipient from Bank of America and such details, and you can go ahead through the prompts to make the transfer. This is how you can transfer money from DCU to Bank of America. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.